In this video, I'd like to speak to you about the 5 key reasons for filing your divorce before your spouse. Family law is a type of civil practice, but it's like no other lawsuit. In a family law case, it is plaintiff versus plaintiff. You're on the offensive, and it is vital to your case and to your future that you represent your rights and your interests to the court. In this video, I'm going to speak to you about the 5 reasons that it is important that you file your divorce before your spouse. One of the first reasons that it's so important to file your divorce action before your spouse is that the first party to file is the first party that presents their case. So if you go to a hearing on a motion that you filed, or if you go to the application for temporary orders hearing, or if your case gets to trial, you will have the opportunity to present your case, your evidence, your story to the judge before the other side. The second reason that it is vital for you to file your divorce action before your spouse is to start the clock and receive the protections of the automatic temporary injunctions. In Oklahoma family law, Title 43, Section 110, lays out all of the rules for automatic temporary injunctions. These exist to protect you as the party filing your divorce action from the other party doing things out of malice or out of greed. The automatic temporary injunctions, again, that are found at Title 43, Section 110, provide that the other party can't liquidate your accounts. The other party can't rack up massive amounts of debt and then hold you accountable for that. The other party can't close out your bank accounts, your investments accounts. And if you're a parent, one of the most important things in your life, it is vital to know that the other party will be held accountable if they leave the state of Oklahoma with your children without your permission. The third important reason to file your divorce before your spouse is that you can have finality, you can have closure in this case. Oklahoma law dictates that after you file the initial petition for divorce, if you have no minor children, you still must wait 10 days, which although is a short period of time, may be a lifetime for some. More importantly, if you have minor children, you're required to wait 90 days from after the date you file your petition for divorce in order to have a finalized decree. If you've been waiting for months or even longer and know that it is the time to end your marriage, this is your opportunity to make that first step of faith in yourself and file this action so that you can get it behind you. The fourth important reason to consider filing your divorce action first is the exact opposite of the one I just spoke of, which is if you are the one that files the divorce action and you and your spouse reconcile, then you're able to file a dismissal of that action without the court's involvement. However, if you are the respondent, the court must be involved as you're not the one initiating that case. The fifth and final thing that I'd like to speak to is the importance of setting the tone and strategy in your case. If you're the first to file your petition, then you'll be the first to present any information to the court. You can lay out what you want for legal custody of your children, as in who will decide when, where, and what for your child's life. You can set out what you would like for physical custody, where your children will lay at night. You can set out what you want to happen as far as the division of property, assets, accounts, the marital home, vehicles, debts. And finally, you can set out what you want the court to do overall as far as spousal support or temporary support for your spouse. The important thing is that if you are not the respondent, if you're the first to file, then you get to set the tone for all of these issues and lay out what you want to happen in your case. Alternatively, if you're the respondent, you're required to answer each of the allegations and paragraphs of the petitioner, in addition to getting to state to the court what you want to happen. I hope this video on the 5 reasons to file your divorce action before your spouse has been helpful to you. If you'd like to see more information or resources on this issue or family law in general, we welcome you to visit our website. Additionally, if you have questions or would like to speak confidentially about your case, you can give us a call any day of the week. We hope this video has been helpful. And if you'd like to see more information like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for regular updates on this and other legal issues.